Hey, yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got another brand new unboxing video. Alrighty, guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and also don't forget to hit that bell so you don't miss another one of these uploads. And without further ado, guys, we got some serious bangers for this month. I got a ton of videos that are lined up for you guys. The most recent, I just picked up the Venice Beach Kobe's. So if you want to go check out that video, make sure you guys are checking out my latest upload over on the channel. We got these today. I got a another pair from a shock drop that happened recently, so I'm sure you guys can put two and two together. I also got a very special unboxing coming for you guys as well. And another one that I picked up recently, which is another Nike SB Dunk Low. But you'll have to wait to find out that one as well. Now, if you know me over on the channel, my favorite model for any sneaker, to be honest, is the Air Jordan 1 High and Low. And also, my second favorite silhouette is anything from the Nike SB, the Dunk Lows. I've been absolutely loving them lately. I love the storytelling behind them. I love that you're getting premium feeling materials on the sneakers. And I also like the uniqueness of what they do in order for, you know, collaborations and whatever when it comes to different special touches that they include with the sneakers. Now, the one that we're checking out today is no different. Now, in order to pick this pair up, you would have had to been on the Sneakers app sometime last week. I do forget the actual date for you, so I do apologize about that. But the way you had to get this one was the old scratch and sniff. I'm just kidding. You don't have to actually smell it. But the scratcher over on the Sneakers app, basically what happens is they pop up an image on the screen and you scratch it until a video starts playing. Now, tip for you guys who are watching, you don't actually need to watch the entire video. The little X pops up in the top right corner. You can click out of the video, brings you to the purchase page. You put in for your size and hope to get the pair. Now, I actually doubled up on these things. I went for them on two of my sneakers accounts. I actually hit two pairs of these guys. I'm only going to be keeping one, and you'll find out maybe what I might do with it. But we got them right here. So we got the Nike SB. This is the City of Style, aka the Pastoral Prince, aka Live, Laugh, and Love. Now, these things got a ton of nicknames. Not entirely sure what the majority of people are going with. I think it's the City of Style. But yeah, so obviously, let's just go over the box real quick. Standard purple box from a Nike SB right here. A label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Premium colorway is football gray and coconut milk. Went with the size 12 because personally recently Nike SBs have been fitting me just a little bit snug. So I'm usually in like an 11.5 in Jordan 1s, Dunk Highs, regular Dunk Lows. But SBs have been fitting me a little bit tight lately. So I went up half a size to a size 12. I did throw these things on feet already and they fit perfectly. So I do recommend you guys going up half a size. But if you guys purchase usually Nike SBs and whatever your most recent SB pickup was, if you liked how they fit, go with that size. Now flipping open the box, nothing too special. You're going to get your standard Nike SB box paper, and then you're also going to get the shoes. Now, like I said, guys, I don't know if these things will be releasing yet again. I believe that you can pick these things up still from your local skate shops. But as far as the Sneakers app release, I think it was just that shock drop or the sneaker scratch. I don't think that there's actually going to be another release about these things. So if you want them, they're not going for much over retail right now. So you should be able to get them at a decent price. First thing in the box you're going to get is the Nike SB sticker that's going to be coming in all of your Nike SBs. And then you're going to get greeted with the shoes right here. Now, these things are very, very unique, very dope. And honestly, I'm a pretty big fan. I didn't know how I was going to feel about these things originally when I went for them. But seeing them in hand, they are definitely pretty unique. I love the color of this like mustardy gold copper, if you will, color. I really am digging that specific color. I really like the blue on the inside of the mesh ankle collar. You know, I think that this material is going to grow on me. But yeah, let's get into the review. First thing to note right off the rip, this is an all-over canvas print that is meant to be skated in. Why do I say it is definitely meant to be skated in? Obviously, it's a Nike SB, but there is a hidden layer underneath the sneaker. Yes, so that's one of the main things that make these things very unique. Nike SB does this every once in a while with their sneakers. Now, underneath this layer, this top layer of canvas all the way around the toe, I believe the top of the toe guard too, I think it's the entire sneaker. But yeah, no, it's going to have a nice, cool red suede underneath. So I'm going to throw all the images up on the screen so you guys can check that out and how it looks when these things are cut and or skated heavily in. But I really like how the red looks underneath this. So I was possibly thinking about cutting these things, but I really want your input, guys. Would you want to see me cut these things for another video on this particular shoe? Or are you really not that interested in seeing that? Do the pictures just, you know, do it justice? But let me know if that's something you guys definitely want to see. Let me know down in the comments section below. Other than that, let's get right into the review. Like I said, it's going to be a very quick unboxing and review. I will say right off the rip, you are going to get, just because this is that canvas material, it's a double layer type of style. You may get a little bit of like, you know, material kind of looks like it's a little bit loose and not like, you know, flat with the sneaker. That's only because it's a tearaway material. Like I said, that suede underneath is not going to look like that. It's just a little bit more because it's got that double layer style. Now, like I said previously, I am loving the piping all around the sneaker, right? So you got that nice heavy copper goldish piping all along the toe box right here, all the way up the eyelets, around the Nike swoosh, looking really, really clean. Loving that piping. Now, this canvas material, it is definitely not the same color as the ankle liner, which is like the really like light robin's egg or like baby blue on the inside of that mesh liner. It's more of like a lilac. That's like the only way I can describe it. It's not like a true deep purple or like a pink or anything like that. It's literally lilac. Look up lilac on Google if you don't know what I'm talking about. But look that up, and that's pretty much how the only representation of that color I can think of. Now, on this canvas print, one thing to note, not all pairs are going to be exactly the same. They use like a big sheet of this canvas material, so you're going to get different patterns. An example of this is simply just look at your toe box. Toe box is definitely going to be different, right? So if you guys can see this, on one of the toes, you're going to have that like tree, and then on the other one, you're going to get more of the other unique stuff. So you're going to get the little tree here, you're going to get the clouds, and stuff like that. Like now this one has the tree, it's got the clouds here, it also has that part of the bridge. So yeah, it's pretty cool how every pair is going to be unique, and the print is not going to be identical. Now, other images on here, you're going to get some like graffiti action. It's going to say Nike, it's going to say SB. So pretty cool when it comes to that. Kind of reminds me of like a nice little floral print, something like that, but really, really unique and pretty cool in my opinion. Now, when you come over to the tongue, you're going to get that standard classic fat Nike SB tongue with a bunch of padding, which is partly one of my favorite pieces of all Nike SBs. You get the Nike SB branding in that mustard gold color with the dark brown accent for the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And then going on to the inside, you're going to get that same color over on the insole. It's going to say Air Zoom on it with the Nike SB in that dark brown color. You know, something to note, which is a little bit disappointing when it comes to Nike SBs, is we all love to get the extra laces, right? This does not have any extra laces. Not a single one. You're only going to get this color, which I really do like. I really love this color. However, it is nice when they include the extra laces, let's be honest. It's nice to have options, but by now, I'm pretty sure if you are an SB collector, you got a ton laying around. Now, on the little aglets, the little end caps of the laces right here, you are going to get that like robin's egg baby blue, sky blue at the end of the tips right there. So, but yeah, guys, I mean, and then going to your midsole, you're going to get this nice creamish sailless midsole. It's not a true like bright white. You're going to get that like sail. You're going to get the copper gold mustard. I don't even know how to, you know, really come up with that color. I'm just going to go with that mustard, you know, gold or whatever. Stitching along the midsole. And then you're also just going to get the outsole. It's going to be all that sail, that whitish, creamish sail. Now, I know some people like the differential between the midsole and then the outsole, but going to get the all same color, which, you know, I don't mind too much. I think it looks pretty good, especially on this shoe. It definitely looks good. Then you're going to get that mustard gold hit with the SB on the bottom for that Nike Zoom Air unit going on that insole. So very nice. If you are not familiar with SBs, they are pretty, in my opinion, generally comfortable sneakers as well. You got that zoom in there. You got the memory heel pods, memory foam heel pods going around the ankle collar as well. And you're also going to get the Lycra tongue straps on the inside too to help keep your tongue nice and centered. So something to note, like I said, guys, I'm digging these things. Do I keep one pair like this and the other pair I rip up for you guys on YouTube? Now, it's up to you. So you're going to have to let me know what you guys want down below in the comments section. I'm not opposed to do it. You know, guys, I don't make money off my YouTube channel yet, so this is all coming out of pocket. Obviously, if I start cutting up the sneaker, it's going to lose its resale value. So, you know, not that I am a reseller, or, you know, per se, but I get my sneakers to do reviews for you guys. And usually I don't keep them all. I'm just being honest. I am not at the stage right now where I can buy a ton of shoes and keep them all. You know what I'm saying? Like, I constantly have to flip my rotation and so on and so forth. So if it is something that you guys want to see, I am definitely down to do it. But a lot of you got to be commenting and liking the video if that's what you want. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about the Nike SB, a City of Style, aka the Pastoral Prints, aka a Live, Laugh, Love, whatever you guys want to call them. I think they're very unique. I think they're very nice. I actually do like the color in person. I love SBs in general. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about them down below. Did you guys go for them on that little sneaker scratcher? Did you hit? Did you not? Will you buy them on the aftermarket, or are you just going to pass in general? A lot of shoes coming up for the month of April. I mean, you know, we're in the middle of April right now. We still got a ton of releases. May is stacked, so if you are saving your money, I don't blame you, but let me know down below. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. So like I said, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me, Nike SB, Dunk Low, City of Style. We're out. Peace.